ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। In Vedanta Paribhasha, we saw the Anumanam Brahma Bhinnam Sarvam Mithyam Brahma Bhinnatvat Yadevam Tadevam Yatha Shukti Rupyam. It was on page number 96. In that, in Tika on page 97, third line, Rajju Sarpadau. Everybody see that line?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes.
Rajju Sarpadau Sadhya Siddhavapi Na Siddha Sadhanam. So last time I explained Parvato Vanniman and Sarve Parvataha Vannimantaha. Two different Anumanams. In them, Pakshata Avachedaka is different. You remember?
Yes, Swamiji.
So this is actually also explained in Kailashashram Tika in Hindi. I just saw in my PDF, it is page 183. But it should be there somewhere in your book around there where this discussion is given. But anyway, just understand this point again. I just want to tell you that it is there in the book also. One is, what is the Pakshata Avachedaka if we say, Ayam Parvato Vanniman? What is the Pakshata Avachedaka?
Ayam Parvata.
Parvatatva. Pakshata Avachedaka will be Parvatatva, Ayam Parvatatva. So there, Parvatatva Samanadikaranyena Sadhya Siddhi. Sadhya Siddhi is Parvatatva Samanadikaranyena. Ayam Parvatatva. But if you say Sarve Parvataha Vannimantaha, all mountains are on fire. So even if one Parvata has Vanni, it is not going to be called Siddha Sadhana. Because now we want to show the Sadhya in all Parvatas. Parvatatva Avachedena Sadhya Siddhi we want to do. Means the Avachedaka of Pakshata Avachedaka will be Parvatatva Avachinna Avachedaka. And then we want Sadhya Siddhi in all Parvata. So then in that case, in this Anumanam, where it is Sarvam Mithya and Shukti Rupyam you have given Rupyam is also Brahma. Correct?
Yes, Swamiji.
पक्षता अवच्छेदक अवच्छेदेन साध्य सिद्धि. So even if Shukti Rupya is Brahma Bhinna, it will not be called Siddha Sadhana. That is what that third line says. Rajju Sarpadau Sadhya Siddhavapi Na Siddha Sadhanam. In Rajju Sarpa, Sadhya Siddhi is there.
Yes, Swamiji.
What is Sadhya?
Mithya.
Mithyattvam.
Mithyatvam. Mithyatvam is Sadhyam. So Rajju Sarpa, Sadhya Siddhi is there. But it is not considered as Siddha Sadhanam. Why? That is what was given in second number Tippani. Na Siddha Sadhanam. See second number Tippani. Pakshata avachedaka nanatva abhavat. Pakshata avachedaka nanatve eva tadabhyopagamat. Pakshata avachedaka nanatva means ayam parvata, so many Pakshata avachedakas will be there. In this case, Pakshata avachedaka nanatva is not there. Means there is only one Pakshata avachedaka. That is Pakshata avachedaka avachinna. Pakshata avachedaka avachinnena sadhya siddhi. In other words, in such case, Siddha Sadhanam, Drishtanta, even if it is part of Paksha, it is not considered as dosha. And then they give the example in Tika, Anitya Vang Manase. Is it there?
Yes, Swamiji.
That same line. Anitya Vang Manase. Iti atra amshata siddha sadhanasya parairapi angikritatvat. Vang Manasa. Of these two, according to Nyaya, Paraihi means Nayayikai. According to Nyaya Darshana, which is Anitya?
Vak.
Vak is Anitya, according to Nyaya Darshana. And Mana is Nitya. They consider mind as Nitya. So Anitya Vang Manase, if this kind of Anumanam is done, Vang Manase Anitya, you say Vak is Anitya, in that there is Siddha Sadhanam. You say iti atra amshatah siddha sadhanasya paraihi api angikritatva. Amshatah siddha sadhanam, even if it is there, it is acceptable. Why? Because mind is not accepted as anitya by them. So this anumanam can work. In other words, out of two things, even if in one there is siddha sadhanam, together if you want to do sadhya siddhi, as long as something which is not known, in that amsha, if you do anumanam, it will not be having siddha sadhanam dosha. So that's why that anumanam will work. That is the point which we saw last time. So I was not very clear about that Vang Manase last time. That is also given in Kailash Ashram Tika. In the Hindi Anuvada, they have given that part. Now let us see further. Nanu. Shukti Rupyadau Kim Lakshanam Mithyatvam Pratyaksha Siddham Yad Anumanena Prapanche Sadhyate. You already said Shukti Rupya is Mithya. And then you are using it for Mithyatva Siddhi of others. So, Shukti Rupyadau Kim Lakshanam Mithyatvam? What is that Lakshana of Mithyatva? Which is Pratyaksha Siddham. Yad Anumanena Prapanche Sadhyate. Which you are doing Siddhi through Anumanam in Prapancha. What is the meaning of this line? What is the Lakshana of Mithyatva which is there in Shukti Rupya? Whose Siddhi you are doing in entire Vyavaharik Prapancha through Anumanam. Iti apekshayam Mithyatva Lakshanam aha. In the Moolam, Mithyatvam cha Swashrayattvena Abhimata Yavannishta Atyanta Bhava Pratyogitvam. This line you can remember. Mithyatvam kim Swashrayattvena Abhimata Yavannishta Atyanta Bhava Pratyogitvam. Swashrayattvena Abhimata. Swa means ghata. Or they have given the example pata, let us say, pata. Pata ashraya is what?
Tantu.
Tantu. This is the favorite. This is from Chitsukhi. Huh? This whole thing, this portion and next portion, they are both from Chitsukhi, Chitsukhacharya. Actually, his name means the name of the text was not Chitsukhi. Name of the text was Tattva Prakashika. But he was so famous that his grantha is called Chitsukhi. And many years back, I had come across Chitsukhi book when I did not know what was Chitsukhi also. But I had the book with Tika. This big book. With the Tika, Sanskrit Tika on Chitsukhi, and then Hindi Tika on the Moolam and Sanskrit Tika, something like that. So I just used to flip. Hardly anything I would understand. So much Nyaya was there. But anyway, Ishvara had his way to teach. So this is part of Brihat Prasthana. In the Brihat Prasthana Krama, Chitsukhi is taught first. And I think those who want to become Acharya means those who give exams and become Acharya, they have to study Chitsukhi. I think in one level of Acharya, they have to study Chitsukhi, I think second year exam. And third year exam, Advaita Siddhi, they have to study. Like that, there is something. So Chitsukhi, Advaita Siddhi are studied otherwise also in universities, like in Kashi, etc. So Pata Ashra is Tantu. This Pata, is it existing in this hand? This Pata, okay, now you can see. This Pata, is it existing in this hand?
No.
No, sir.
No.
Is this Pata existing elsewhere, somewhere?
No.
No. This Pata is not existing anywhere else other than in the Tantu. In this Tantu, if we can show this Pata is absent. So Tantu is already, this Pata is already absent elsewhere. If Pata is absent here in Tantu also, then this pata is mithya. This is the teaching here. Swa ashraya. So patasya ashraya is tantu. Swa ashrayatvena abhimata word, you leave it for now. यावन निष्ठ अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगित्व means स्व आश्रये अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगित्व. This is मुख्य. In its ashraya, pata in its ashraya tantu has its atyanta bhava. This pata's atyanta bhava is elsewhere. Already we know. If this pata's atyanta bhava is in tantu also, so then pata will become atyanta bhav pratiyogi. Swashrayattvena abhimata yavan nishtha atyanta bhav pratiyogitvam mithyatvam. Let us see tika. Swashrayattvena abhimate yavati. We have to see tippani number 1, you see first. घटादीनां मिथ्यात्व सिद्धि प्रकार इत्थम. घट दृष्टांत जीवन. घटादीनां कपालादि देशात् अन्यत्र समवायन स्थितिर नांगीक्रियते कैरपि वादिभिः. घटादीनां कपालादि देशात् अन्यत्र समवायन स्थितिर नांगीक्रियते कैहि अपि वादिभिः. So Ghatadi's existence is not there anywhere else other than in Kapala, and in Kapala also a Samavayana. Kapaladi Deshat Anyatra Samavayana Ghatadinam Siddhi na Angikriyate Kaihi api Vadibi. Anybody else, Sankhya, Nyaya, Yoga, Vaisheshika, Vedanta, nobody will say that Ghata is outside of Kapala. That is for sure. Now within Kapala, what is the story? Techa Kapaladavapi na santi iti. Teke Teke Ghatadayah Kapaladav api na santi. If Ghatadi are not present in Kapala, means their own Samavai Karan or Upadana Karana, na santi iti pramanena apadyate. If through pramana this can be shown, this pratipadanam can be done, then athacha bhasamanaha tatah eva mithyabhutaha te siddhyeran. Then bhasamanaha athacha bhasamanaha tatah eva mithyabhutaha. Bhasamanaha means they are only appearing there. Tatah eva mithyabhutaha. Tatah tasmat. Tasmat karanat eva mithyabhutaha. They are only appearing. They are not there. Why? Pramanena te na santi iti apadyate. Through pramana we will show there itself they are not there. Elsewhere they are not there, we don't have to prove. It is accepted. Where they are appearing, there itself they are not there. If we can prove, tata eva mithya bhutas te siddheran, then those ghatadis, they are mithya, that siddhi will happen. Yatha ahu yad asad bhasamanam tan mithya swapna gajadivat iti. Yatha, like he gives example, ahu, some Pramana kushalaha ahuhu. Those who are good in pramana, they say, yad asad bhasamanam, that which is not there but appearing. Asatvena bhasamanam or asatve sati bhasamanam tan mithya, that is mithya. Swapna gajadi, what? Like swapna gaja. Iti. स्वप्न पदार्थात मिथ्या. मिथ्यात्वे च अनुमान प्रमाणम उपन्यस्त. In its mithyatva, anumana pramanam is shown, upanyasta. Tasya upanyastam it should be. Because anumana pramanam upanyastam. I think that there is a slight anuswara there. Can you see? You have to make it upanyastam. Huh? Anumana pramanam upanyastam. तस्य च न प्रत्यक्षेण बाधः शंकनीयः. All of you are there or not?
Yes, sir.
There is no response at all. उपन्यस्तं you make the change. तस्य च न प्रत्यक्षेण बाधः शंकनीयः. तस्य कस्य?
घटस्य
हाँ?
घटस्य
मिथ्यात्वस्य
अनुमानस्य मिथ्यात्वस्य बाधः. So remember, अनुमानस्य मिथ्यात्वस्य you can say. Mithyatva is sadhya. Badha is hetwabhasa. One type of hetwabhasa is badha. What is the lakshana for badha? प्रमाणांतरेण साध्याभाव सिद्धि. What is the lakshana for badha?
प्रमाणान्तरेण साध्याभावः पक्षे निश्चितः.
साध्याभावः पक्ष
पक्षे निश्चयः निश्चितः.
पक्षे निश्चय. So pramanantarena, anumana pramana, let's say if it is doing mithyatva siddhi, we say a pratyaksha pramana is doing badha. Here anumana pramana says in this tantu there is no pata, but pratyaksha pramana says there is pata. So pratyakshena badha. So Siddhanti says pratyakshena badha na shankaniya. What is the drishtanta in Tarka Sangraha for badha?
वह्नि अनुष्णः
वह्निरनुष्णः हेतु द्रव्यत्वात् जलवत्.
द्रव्यत्व
Vani is anushna because it is dravya like jala. So there is pratyakshana bhada because Vani I feel ushna. So here Siddhanti says you should not say that pratyaksha I can see pata. How are you doing anumanam that pata is mithya? Chandra pradeshikatva grahaka pratyakshavat agamair badhat. In Advaita Siddhi, this comes many times. Actually, this whole tippani is from Chitsuki. So it's good that you understand this properly. If you happen to study from somewhere, I don't know, it's good that you understand this. Okay. So pay proper attention and grasp it. And main thing is, this is very helpful in Jagat Mithyatva Siddhi. Chandra Pradeshikatva Grahaka Pratyaksha. Chandrama, I see, Chandrama is very big, but from where I am, I can show this much is Chandrama. The distance between my thumb and the forefinger. This is called Pradesha. How big is the Chandrama? This much. So because in front of my eyes, if I come that, here keep this hand, is only this much. Chandra Pradeshikatva Grahaka Pratyakshavat Agamaihi Badhat. By the Agama Pramana, the Pratyakshatva, that Chandra is only so much big, it is Badhita by Agama. Jyotish Shastra will say, Chandrama is this big. So it will do Badha of Pratyaksha. Like that, or unlike that, here Pratyaksha cannot do Badha of Anumanam. Adhyaha Anusandheya iti dik. Because Agama, Upanishad Pramana will say, Neha Nanasti Kinchana. Neha Nanasti Kinchana is the Shruti to show there is no Karyam. Brahma Bhinna Karyam is not. Because Brahma Bhinna Karyam is not, therefore Brahma is not Karanam. So Neha Nanasti Kinchana means there is no Nana. Only Brahma is. Iha Brahmani. Na Nana Asti. In Brahma, which is the Adhishthanam, there is no Nana, means many. Only Brahma is. In simple words, wherever a thing is appearing, in that place itself, that thing is mithya. Wherever a thing is appearing, there itself it is mithya. What is appearing in Tantu? In Tantu itself, it is mithya, means it is Vacharambhanam. It is only appearing. It is not really there. What we saw earlier in Advaita Siddhi, what was that Anumanam for mithya?
प्रतिपन्नापादौ
Say it.
प्रतिपन्नापादौ त्रैकालिकनिषेध प्रतियोगित्वम्.
Pratipanno padau traikalika nisheda pratyogita. Correct. So that is the lakshana for mithya. This is also similar. Pratipanna upadhi, instead of saying Pratipanna upadhau, he says Swashraya nishtha atyantabhav pratyogitva. So in Advaita Siddhi, this Anumanam for mithyatva is taken as fourth Anumanam. And that Vivarana Anumanam Pratipanno Padau Traikalika Nisheda is second. Totally there are 5. iti dik. Now you see tika. स्वाश्रयत्वेन अभिमते यावती स्थितो अत्यंताभावस्तत् प्रतियोगित्वम्. स्वाश्रयत्वेन अभिमते. Abhimata means, he will explain. Abhimate yavati sthito atyanta bhava tat pratiyogitvam. Atyanta, if we say patasya atyanta bhava, who is the pratiyogi?
Pata.
Pata. So mithyatva will be of pata. Now, padakritya. Nanu. स्वाश्रय यावन्निष्ठ अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगित्वम् इति एतावदेव अस्तु इति आशंक्या. Means why did you put abhimata padam? You can just say स्वाश्रय यावन्निष्ठ अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगित्वम्. Why स्वाश्रयेन abhimata यावन्निष्ठ अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगित्वम्? So he says in Moolam, Abhimata Padam. I am going to continue the class for 45 minutes, even though time is over. So I hope it is okay to anybody.
Okay, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Swashraya Abhimata is given. Why Abhimata? Abhimata Padam Vastutah Swashraya Aprasidhya Asambhava Varanaya in Moolam. See what is he saying? If you say in Pata, in case of Pata, is it there in Tantu or not? Purva Pakshi will ask, is it Siddhanti? What will you say? Siddhanti, what will he say? If Purva Pakshi says, is Pata there or not? If Purva Pakshi, if Siddhanti says, Pata is there. If you say Pata is there, then you are doing Virodha of your own Anumanam. If you say Pata is not there, if Pata is not there, then where is the question of Tantu being Ashraya of Pata? Right?
Yes, Swamiji.
If Pata is there, then your Anumanam is against your own Siddhanta. And if you say Pata is not there, then how you can say Tantu is the Ashraya of this Pata? Pata which is not there. So he says, Abhimata Padam is for Vastutah Swashraya Aprasidhya. Swashraya Prasiddhi will not be there. Patasya Ashraya Tantu, if Pata itself is not there, Patasya Ashraya Tantu is Aprasidhya. Aprasidhya Asambhava. Lakshana will become Asambhava. That which is not there, where is the question of its Ashraya? So he says, to remove this Asambhava dosha, Abhimata Pada is given. Abhimata means it is considered, means it is thought of in this way. It is not Pramana Siddha. Tantu, its Ashraya, Patasya Ashraya is Tantu, is not Pramana Siddha. It is abhimata. See in Tika, he explains further. So the question was swashraya yavan nishtha atyanta bhav pratiyogitvam iti etavadev astu iti ashankyaah abhimata iti. Yavati swashraye स्वात्यंता भाव संभव स्वात्यंता भाव असंभव स्वाश्रये स्व अत्यंता भाव is असंभव. If it is really its ashraya, that's what you are saying. Patasya ashraya is tantu. Then in that its atyanta bhava is asambhava. But if you say swashrayana abhimata, then its atyanta bhava is possible. So asambhavah tad varanaya tad avashyakam. Yat tatha cha vastuto aswashraya api shukti adau. Shukti, is it ashraya of Shukti Rupya?
Yes, Swamiji.
If Shukti Rupya is existing, then you can say Shukti is the ashraya of Shukti Rupya. But if Shukti Rupya is not existing at all, then it cannot be called ashraya. So that's why he says aswashraya api. Vastuto aswashraya. A khandakar is there. Can you see khandakar or not?
Yes, Swami.
Vastuto aswashraye api shuktyadau swashrayattvena abhimate. Shukti is thought of as, considered as ashraya of Shukti Rupya. So aswashraye api shuktyadau swashrayattvena abhimate shuktyadau. Vartamano yo atyanta bhavaha. Vartamana means existing. Existing atyanta bhava. Yo atyanta bhava. Tat pratiyogitvam shukti rupyadehe. Shukti rupyadehe atyanta bhav pratiyogitvam. Putra shuktyadau अस्ति इति तत् सार्थक्यम इति भाव. तत् सार्थक्यम, what is that? What is that?
अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगी.
No.
अभिमत.
अभिमत पदम. अभिमत पदम सार्थक्यम. That abhimata shabda siddhi he is doing. Why do we need abhimata? Abhimata means na tu pramita. It is not pramita. It is not pramana siddha. That Shukti Rupya is ashraya for, Shukti is the ashraya for Shukti Rupya. Na pramane na jnata. It is thought of. It is considered in this way. So abhimata pada siddhi is that. Now yavan nishtha is given. Nanu etavataiva nirvahe yavat padam vyartham iti atah. Why yavat pada is given? Because the anumanam says mithyatvam swashraya abhimata swashrayatvena abhimata yavan nishtha atyanta bhav pratyogi. So yavan nishtha, why you have to give yavan nishtha? पूर्वपक्षी से यावत् पदम व्यर्थम इति अतः। तथा च यावत् पदाभावे कपि संयोग आश्रयत्वेन अभिमते वृक्षे मूलावच्छेदेन वर्तमानो यस्तद अत्यन्ताभावः तत् प्रतियोगित्वं शाखावच्छेदन स्थितस्य कपि संयोगस्य अस्ति। See, what is this yavat padam in pata? In case of pata, tantu is everywhere. Everywhere in tantu there is pata bhava. Not that in tantu ekadesha there is no pata, but in other desha there is still pata. Yavan nishtha means in the entire tantu, means all tantus, this pata bhava is there. Jahan jahan tantu hai, tantu means abhimata, abhimata swashrayatvena abhimata tantu. Tatra yavan nishtha atyandava means in the entire set of all those tantus which are thought of as the ashraya of this pata, there itself it's atyantava. That's why yavan nishtha. Drishtanta is prasiddha drishtanta. If you say vriksha is there, शाखावच्छेदेन कपि संयोग अस्ति, मूलावच्छेदेन कपि संयोगो नास्ति. So if you say vrikshe kapi sanyoga bhava, you don't give yavat pada. Atyanta bhava pratiyogitvam kapi sanyogasya. So Purva Pakshi will say siddha sadhanam. Kapi is there in shakha. Kapi sanyoga is in shakha. Kapi sanyoga is not there in mula. Moolavachchedena kapi sanyoga abhava. So there where you think kapi sanyoga is there itself kapi sanyoga abhava is there. Yes, in the vriksha, there where kapi sanyoga is there, in ekadesha. There itself, in anya desha, kapi sanyoga abhava is there. So I accept, it is siddha sadhanam. You see, that is not what we are proving. Because in that case, kapi sanyoga is avyapya vritti. Avyapya vrittitvat, kapi sanyoga is kevalanvayi. Here, our anumanam is not doing that. See, that's what he says. Tadhacha, yavat pada abhave. If yavat pada is not given, kapi sanyoga ashrayatvena abhimate vrikshe. Kapi sanyoga ashrayatvena abhimate vrikshe. Moolavachchedena vartamano. Yad atyanta bhava. Moolavachchedena kapi sanyoga abhav is there.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes.
तत् प्रतियोगित्वम शाखावच्छेदेन स्थितस्य. शाखावच्छेदेन कपि संयोग is there. शाखावच्छेदेन स्थितस्य कपि संयोगस्य प्रतियोगित्वम अस्ति इति समानाधिकरण्य रूप अर्थांतर सिद्धि. Some अर्थांतर will happen. You were trying to prove मिथ्यात्व of कपि संयोग. Instead, केवलान्वयित्वम or avyapya vrittitvam, some such thing you will end up proving. And Purva Pakshi says, yes, I accept this. This is not what we are trying to prove. So this is called arthantar siddhi. Tad varanaya tad avashyakam. Tad varanaya tad avashyakam. What is tad? First tad.
Yavat padam.
No, first tat. That's why I...
Arthantara siddhi.
Arthantar siddhi is first tat. Second tat is yavat padam. Tad arthantar siddhi varanaya tat yavat padam avashyakam. So to eliminate arthantar siddhi, that yavat padam is required. तद्दाने तु स्वाश्रयत्वेन अभिमते यावती शाखादौ तद अत्यंता भाव असत्वात् न दोष. तद्दाने तु means when it is accepted, स्वाश्रयत्वेन अभिमते यावति शाखादौ तद अत्यंताभाव असत्वा. कपि संयोग everywhere its atyantabhava was not there. So that's why yavat pada is given, so that such case is eliminated. No dosha ityartha. Therefore, yavat pada has no dosha. Up to this we'll keep. Asman mate part, we'll see that is the Vedanta explanation. Om. Means all this is Vedanta only, but that is using Shruti, he is justifying there. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.